So we're going through random questions I found on YouTube channels, maths channels on YouTube, and I said let's give it a try. I've not tried them before. This is my first time of trying them. I've not practiced them before today. So we're going to go through it together. So we'll look at ourselves. If we have any mistakes, we can easily correct them. But we're going to try not to make any mistakes. So sit back and enjoy this class. Don't forget to bring your paper and your pen. God bless you. Hello everyone, you're welcome to another exciting session of EasyMathsTutor. And so I stumbled on some random questions on YouTube. I want us to try our fingers on them. Alright? So this is one of them. 4x is equal to 16 all over 20. So what is the value of x? So first of all, I would like to reduce the value of 16 and 20. So we need a common factor. I know there's a common factor there which is 4. Okay? So if you divide 16 by 16 divided by 4. Okay? All over 20 divided by 4, which will give us 4 over 5. Alright, so 4 over 5 is equal to 4x. So we're going to make x subject of the formula function, right? So that means we're going to divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 4 over 5 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 over 5 times 4. Okay? So if I change the sign of division to multiplication, it has to move from the numerator to the denominator. So this will cancel this. So the value of our x is 1 over 5. Now the second question says the cube root of 16 times the square root of 2 all over 8 is equal to 2 raised to power x. Okay, so I'll try to rationalize this side of the equation to have a base of 2. Then I equate it with what? The exponential x. So let's work on that. First of all, I'm going to remove all the symbols and convert them to exponentials. So we have, first of all, 16. 16 is what? The same thing as 2 . Okay? So 16 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 4. That's for 16. Okay? 8 is also 2 times 2 times 2, which is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. So we're going to fit in these values into the function. Okay? So just follow me as I solve this. The cube root of 2 raised to power 4 times the square root of 2 all over 2 raised to power 3. So now we'll also convert this root to a power. So we have 2 raised to power 4. We put it in a bracket and write 1 over 3. That is the power. Then we'll also put this in the bracket, which is 2 raised to power 1 over 2. 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So finally we've gotten the basis of 2 on the other side. So we're going to rationalize all the powers together in one place, okay? So we'll have a single 2 on this other side. So what we're going to do, we'll say 2, okay? The first power is what? 4 into bracket 1 over 3, which is the same thing as 4 over 3. So we have 2 raised to power 4 over 3. This is multiplication. So if we employ the multiplication law, these 2 powers will be added. So we'll say plus 1 over 2. Now this is divided, right? So if we employ the division law, we'll have to subtract what? Subtract 3. Okay? Equal to 2 raised to power x. Okay? Take that in. So if we apply the law of congruence, that's if they are congruent, means their powers are equal. So x will be equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 2 minus 3. Alright? So now if we get this value, then we've gotten the value for x. So let's choose a common denominator, which is the LCM of 3 and 2, which is 6. So 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 times 4, that's 8. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3 times 1, gives us 3 times 1. So we'll write 3 here. Then also 6 divided by 1 gives us 6 times 3 gives us what? 18. So 8 plus 3, 11, minus 18 gives us what? Minus 7 over 6. So the value of x is 7 over 6. The value of x, this implies that x is what? 7 over 6. So we're going to quickly clean off this part. Third question, what is the LCM of all these functions? So we'll quickly find the LCM. So we'll look for the LCM of this denominator, which is 4, 5, 8. So let's try 4 first of all. So we'll say 4 goes here 1. 4 doesn't go into 5, so we'll bring it down. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 doesn't go into 1. 2 doesn't go into 5. 2 goes into 2 1 time. Then we have 5. 5 gives us 1 1 throughout. So our LCM is 4 times 2 times 5, which is 8 times 5, which is 40. Right? So let's move on to our solution. So this will be equal to, remember, common denominator of 40, which is the LCM of all these denominators. So we say 40 divided by 4 is 10 times 1, which is the numerator. 40 divided by 4, 10 times 1 gives us 10. 40 divided by 5 is 8 times 3 gives us 24. 40 divided by 8, which is 5 times 5, gives us 25. So we have a total of 59 over 40, right? 10 plus 24, 34, plus 25, plus 25, which is 59. So our answer is 59 over 40, or one whole number, 19 over 40. Okay, so we have this question. It looks so interesting when I found it out. It's a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle that we are not given the length of the sides of these triangles. We're only given the perimeter and we're also given the area. Okay, so we're going to find the three sides of the right angle triangle. So first of all, with what we're given, we have the perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the shape. Okay, so the distance will be A plus B plus C. So we'll write A plus B plus C equal to, we're given 2, 1, 6. So we're going to call this our equation 1. Half base times what? Height. So we'll say the base is A, the height is B. So we'll say half of A, okay, times the height, which is B, which is equal to AB over 2 is equal to what? 1944. We'll call this equation 2. So for want of more equations for us to get our unknowns, we'll employ Pythagoras theorem. For a right angle triangle, the square of the two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So that means A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Right? Is equal to C squared. We have something going here. So let's say we'll take this equation 2. Equation 2. Okay? So we can say AB is equal to 2 times 1944. So I'll quickly use my calculator to find that out. 2 times 1944 will give us 388. Will give us 3888. Okay? So what I'm going to do next, mind you, I've not tried this question before. This is my first time of trying this question. Okay, so I'll say from equation 1, we'll say A plus B is equal to 216 minus C. You can also say C is equal to, from equation 1, C is equal to 216 minus A minus B. So I would like to put C, the value of C, in my equation 3. Oh, I forgot to call this equation 3. So I put the value of C in my equation 3. So I will have A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. So we're going to put this in the bracket, 216 minus A minus B, all squared. So we're going to expand this equation, okay? We're going to expand this equation. So we'll have A squared plus B squared equal to, this times this, right? That's 216 minus A minus B, bracket 216 minus A minus B. Alright? So expanding this, it'll be this times this times this times this, okay? So 216 squared, using my calculator, squared using the calculator will give us, we say A squared plus B squared. So 216 squared is what? 46656, using my calculator. 216 times minus a will give us minus 216a. Alright? 216 times minus b will give us minus 216b. Alright? Minus a times 216 will also give us another 216a. Minus a times minus a will give us plus a squared. Okay? So let's shift down. Minus a times minus b will give us plus a b. Wow! Hooray! I think I'm seeing something popping up. I'm seeing something popping up. Remember this expression. AB is equal to 388. Okay? So now let's multiply minus b times 212, which is 6. Minus 216b. Minus b minus a is what? Plus ab. Minus b is plus b squared. Alright? Alright? So, what do we have now? We have a squared plus b squared is equal to this, okay? 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. Okay? Minus 212 will take like terms. We'll take like terms, okay? So say minus 216a minus 216a, right? Those are the like terms. Minus 216 minus 216b. Alright? Then we have plus a squared plus b squared. Then we also have plus ab plus ab plus ab plus ab. Don't worry, it looks long, but it's going to be very easy to crack. Okay, let me write this clearly. Plus AB plus AB plus A squared plus B squared 216B. Alright? So what do we do next? We'll say A squared plus B squared, right, is equal to 4, 6, 6, 5, 6, right? So 216 minus 216 minus 216, using a calculator, 216 minus 216 will give us 432. So we'll have minus 432A. Same for B, minus 432B, right? Plus A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. Okay, so this is our equation. This is our equation. So A squared plus B squared will cancel out A squared plus B squared on this other side. They cancel themselves out, okay? While this will remain like this, okay? Are we seeing this? Okay, so this looks very beautiful. In fact, watch closely what I'm doing here. I'm going to rearrange this equation. It's going to be 432A plus 432B. Okay, remember the former side, I shifted this minus to this side and this minus to this side. Alright, so we have 4 is equal to 46656 plus 2AB. Okay, Okay, looking so beautiful, and I'm positive that we're going to get a perfect solution. So we'll say 4, 3, 2, factorize this to have a plus b, giving us 4, 6, 6, 5, 6 plus 2ab. Hooray! I'm saying hooray because I can see a plus b in equation 1 already popping up. A plus b is already in equation 1, and I'm seeing ab in where? In equation, this equation. Okay, so our solutions are already coming out clearly. Our solutions are already coming out clearly. Okay, so if we substitute ab, all right, if we substitute ab in this function, what are we going to have? We will have, remember, ab is equal to 216 minus c. How did I get 216 minus c? If I move c over, it becomes minus. So let's substitute ab into this equation. So we'll have 432 216 minus c equal to 46656 plus ab. We know what our ab is, right? So we have 2 3 8 8 8. All right, looking beautiful. So we have 432 times 216. Okay, I'm going to use the calculator. 432 times 216, giving us what? I have 93,312. 312. Okay, 93,312. 432 times minus c will give us minus 432c. Okay, minus 432c. So the other side will be 46. 46 656 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3 8 8. Okay, so 2 times 3 8 8 is what? 2 times 3 8 8 8 is equal to 7776. Is equal to 77776. 7776. 77776. So we're going to add up this to this. Okay, so we have 7776 plus 46656, which will give us, I'm seeing here, 54432. 54432. So we'll say it's equal to 54432. This is 93312 minus 432c. Okay, so we have an equation left here. So we'll make c the subject of the formula. Okay, so let me quickly rearrange this. We'll have 432c equal to, if this jumps over here and this jumps over here, we'll have 93312 minus 54432. Okay, this is positive, right? This solution jumped over to this side, giving us 93312 minus 54432. So when we get the result, let's use our calculator. 93312 minus 54432. So we have, oopsie, looking so good. We have something that looks similar. We have 38880. 38880. So, making C the subject of the formula, we're going to divide both sides, or divide this side by 432. So we say 38880 all over 432. So what will our answer be? 38880 divided by 432. We have 90. Beautiful. The answer is beautiful. The answer is 90. C is 90. So now that we have the value of C, we can easily substitute it here and use it to find our values for A and B. So now we know that the value of C is what? 90. So we're going to substitute it. Substitute that into the formal equation. Remember C, okay? C gave us this, right? And we also have A plus B plus C equal to 216. So we say from equation 1, we will say A plus B plus C, which is 90, is equal to 216. So A plus B is equal to 216 minus 90. 216 minus 90. A plus B is equal to 216 minus 90. Okay, so we use our calculator. 216 minus 90 gave us A plus B equal to 126. A plus B equal to 126. Let's also remember we have another function which tells us AB is equal to 388. So let's make A subject of the formula for this function. So we say for AB equal to 3888, A is equal to 3888 over B. So if we substitute this value into this equation, right, we'll say 3888 over B plus B is equal to 126. Is equal to 126. Alright? We are quickly going to continue this question. I did not envisage it to be very long, but we're just going to see how we're going to crack it up. So we start at 3,888 over B plus B equal to 126. If we multiply through by B, we'll have 3888 plus B squared equal to 126B. So if we rearrange it to look like a quadratic equation, we'll have B squared minus 126B plus 3888 equal to 0. So if we use the formula method to find the value of B, what do we have? We'll have minus bracket 126. Let's say minus, okay, we say 126 squared minus 4 times 3888 all over 2 times 1. Okay, so if we do our calculations, we'll end up having a value. All right, we end up having a value. So we end up having 108 all over 2. 108 all over 2 is 54. So it's so beautiful because if we go from equation 1, remember it's A plus B plus C equal to 216. That's equation 1. So if we substitute all the values, and first of all, we could also make A the subject of the formula, which is 216 minus B minus C. So we substitute the values of B we got and C that we got, which is 216 minus B, 54, minus C, 90. So let's quickly calculate that. We'll say 216 minus 54 minus 90 equal to 72. So bingo, we found our answers. A is 72, B is 54, and C is 90. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Meanwhile, if you want to see more of these beautiful videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Have a blissful week ahead of you, and see you in our next video. Bye.